I am a registered nurse. I work in the ICU in Laurel. I was a travel nurse it was only about like 6 or 7 months. I think I underestimated how homesick I would get.
As a travel nurse, Luke would go to the place that's in greatest need. So if a hospital anywhere in the country had a big emergency that they couldn't handle, then that's where Luke would go. A $150,000 to $200,000 starter home is getting harder to find in Laurel. Right now, they're getting snatched up. Like, if you find a house that's that price,
you better buy it.
You better buy it right that day.
Okay, so this is the Sims house.
Wow.
What do you think?
It's pretty cute.
It's 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. It's 1,324 square feet.
Okay.
It's listed for $70,000, and I think it is just delightful.
What if we did this instead?
Is that this one?
That's this house.
Wow.
Yes, I'm loving this color palette. It's a sage color on the body of the house and then a deeper, darker color on the trim.
Right.
And we open up around the front door,
There it
get
is.
rid of the screens there, but keep it on the left side of the porch and paint the front door this terracotta color that sort of reminds me of like the Grand Canyon.
Right, yeah.
All right. Don't focus too much on the paneling.
It's hard not to.
Okay, so if you can look past that, how do you feel about it?
If my eyes are closed or I look down, I feel good about it.
Yeah.
But the paneling is hard to get past.
Beautiful fireplace.
Fireplace, yes.
And then this dining room here, I think that's great.
Right.
We've talked a little, I don't guess you really have a need for a formal dining room, right?
Not really.
So I have some ideas.
Okay.
I suggest that we take down the paneling, we take down the acoustic tiles, and open up this doorway. So it's
Okay.
an even bigger cased opening between this room and the living room.
Right.
And we turn that into like a study/game room.
Yeah.
We would tear out everything you see in here, get rid of the cabinets, get rid of this linoleum on the floor.
Okay.
We build new cabinets and put your oven and your hood vent on this wall. Keep your sink where it is under the window. I want to give you new butcher block countertops all the way around and build in the refrigerator into new cabinets in that corner over here. Keep this little breakfast nook over here so you have a place to eat since we're stealing your dining room.
Absolutely.
For a study and game room.
All of these renovations would be about $100,000. So you'd be all in at $170,000.
Right. Okay.
I think that's a great price on your first home.
Yeah, especially in Laurel.
Yeah.
Okay, we do have another house. It is a very different house.
Similar size.
Similar size, but different era, different style, different everything. Let's talk about the Williams house.
Okay.
Come on in. Yes.
It's very different.
Wow, okay.
Like I said.
Different is right.
You could have a lot of company over with a living room this
A lot
way.
of flow.
We could pull out the carpet and put down LVT floors, paint the walls, scrape the popcorn ceilings, give you new light fixtures here and in the dining room. It kind of looks like a movie set.
It feels like a set from a movie or TV show filmed in the 60s.
I think 70s. But if you like more of an open concept floor plan, then this house was probably gonna be the one for you.
I do.
I want to keep the cabinets, except for this peninsula section,
Okay.
because we could reface them and go to the ceiling and give you new cabinet doors, and then paint the cabinets black or a charcoal color, and then keep everything else kind of modern, stainless, white, new LVT flooring. We lose the oven that's in the island, and just give you a regular island that can be an eat-in. Keep the sink where it is, put the oven on that back wall beside the sink. I was planning on granite countertops, but if you prefer butcher block,
I do love butcher block.
okay, we can
Yeah.
keep it. I think that would be really nice.
Buy a house?
I did.
Yeah?
Yeah, I went with the Sims house.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
The little craftsman bungalow.
This is gonna be really, really cool.
That
I
is-
have a lot of good ideas for this house. The Sims house is gonna be perfect.
Luke's gonna be enjoying those porches. And now you know what?
Whole panel. Okay, all the paneling is down
So all of the wood is exposed.
and all of it's in great shape. So I think we're just gonna keep the exposed natural wood on those two rooms on all the walls. Since I met this house, it felt like a campy cabin to me. And this is one step closer to that.
Yeah.
He's just missing the lake in the back. That's all he needs. This kitchen, it honestly looks awesome. It is now a lovely shade of sagey gray. We'd call it cold front.
How you like this, huh?
This is just really, really cool. Like, that's a beautiful console. I feel like the house is a visual representation of who Luke is and what he loves and what makes him feel at home. I think when you are a person who has to travel for work, it's really important to have a place that's home base, that you can miss when you're away from it, that you can go back to. If he doesn't miss this house when he's away from it, I don't know what he could. Like, this house looks like home, and especially a home for Luke.
It's beautiful. It looks just like me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you literally look like it today.
Today
Wow.
you really dressed for the part.
I love the color.
Yeah.
I love the porch. You can see the front door. It looks like it was meant to look like this all
Yeah.
along.
It actually looks like we put a new roof on it.
It really
because the
does.
colors feel so right.
It really does.
And we kept the little camp
Yeah,
sign.
I love it. I love it so much.
Is it just the right amount of screen porch now?
It's just the right amount.
Okay. You didn't want all the screen porch,
Right.
but you needed some screen porch.
Yeah,
So now I
exactly.
think it'll be great for your dogs to have an area where they can't run off the porch.
It's
They'll be safe
perfect.
there, and you're safe from the mosquitoes.
Wow.
That's the best part.
But you know what? I think he's probably gonna want to spend most of the time with the dogs on the back porch.
Oh, the back. I forgot about the back porch.
Yeah,
We're gonna
you
have to get
did.
there. It's gonna be a slow journey.
There's so much between
So
here
much
and
to
there.
see.
So
Yeah.
much to see.
Come on.
Y'all. It looks incredible. I don't even have words right now. The walls look incredible.
So that was not planned. This was all supposed to be sheetrock.
Right.
But when we took down that paneling,
Uh-huh.
we never find it like this where it doesn't require any work. So it felt like we needed to keep it for you.
I don't have words, y'all. This is amazing. It looks perfect. It looks just like me. I feel like I'm in a cabin in the mountains somewhere.
Yes!
This is
Exactly.
incredible. Guys, these are my rocks.
Yeah.
You even got the Laurel brick in there.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, what is this?
I built this.
What?
This, the legs and the top, this console table, was this wall. So when we opened
Really?
it, we kept all of that wood and reused it.
You've got a library back
The
there.
library, that's perfect. Is that like a ping pong table?
Well, that is actually a multi-purpose table. That is a dinner table, a study table. It is also a game table. Say you're playing, cards with your friends, and ping pong table.
It's beautiful, guys.
It is a really beautiful piece of furniture.
It's Ben's favorite thing
beautiful.
he's built in a long
Ben,
time.
this is amazing. Are those my grandmamas?
Yeah.
Y'all, wow. Those are beautiful.
She's incredible.
She's incredible. Did she make you a pound cake?
Now she made
No,
something
we'll
else.
talk about that
Oh,
later.
Okay. Okay.
Remember there used to be a door here
Oh yeah,
that
right
went
there.
to the bathroom?
Yes.
So now all of that is bathroom. That door is gone.
It's perfect.
Well, there are more surprises. We have to go to the
Yes.
kitchen next.
Okay,
Yes!
let's go.
Go ahead.
What? Oh my gosh. My heart's beating on my chest.
Yeah?
The butcher block looks so good.
Isn't it so good?
It's not red and yellow.
Nope.
No more red and yellow.
Y'all,
Do you recognize
Check that.
this table?
I do recognize that table. That's from my poppy's shop.
Yeah.
We actually took it to the wood shop and just took the top off and ran it through the sander and then oiled it just like butcher block.
It looks incredible. My mind is blown. Look at this tile.
It's not tile, it's sheet vinyl.
Oh wow.
Isn't that cool?
It's perfect. It looks incredible.
Good. I got nervous about things going too new and fresh,
Yeah.
and that was a big reason why we didn't do a tile backsplash.
I love it.
Because I wanted to keep some character. That's like what the table is about. And then keeping the beadboard for your backsplash, I feel like was important in keeping this room from going new construction.
So me.
This feels more like a cabin.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really does.
And this, you know what this is?
I do know that's a blueberry cobbler.
Yeah, it is. From your grandmother's blueberries.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Just,
Okay.
let's don't eat it yet because there's still some exploring.
Right.
to do.
Yeah.
I gotta let my stomach settle down a little
Yeah.
bit.
Yeah.
We
You
should
haven't even
really
seen
look
this.
at your pantry.
My pantry.
Just kidding.
This looks different already.
Yeah, it's definitely not a pantry. It's way better.
Whoa. It's huge.
Yeah.
Wow, all this space was here?
Yeah. Who needed this weird little hallway when you can have this
Not me.
instead?
I needed this
You
all
needed
along.
this.
This looks amazing. It was scary before.
Yeah, super scary. I didn't think this room needed to feel as cabin as the rest of the house.
It looks so good.
So we're almost to the back porch now. We've seen so much.
Yeah.
much already.
There's one more stop.
Oh, one more.
Come on.
Wow. This is not a utility room anymore.
Nope.
It looks amazing. And the whole yard, the whole backyard.
Yeah.
It's just open. I can't wait to just sit out here and watch the dogs play in the yard.
Yeah.
One of the guys on the crew referred to the top rail as a cocktail rail.
This wasn't the hidden rail.
No.
Okay.
And this is no longer the unstable porch.
The stable porch.
Yes. It's not as good of a band name.
I don't know, cocktail rails.
Yeah, that's an awesome new band. It's going to be a jazz funk fusion. There's something else you need to do in the yard once you get good and settled in.
Okay.
You're going to have to plant this blueberry bush that your grandmother gave us.
Is this from Grandmama's house?
Yes.
Wow. And then I can use her recipe.
Yes.
And make my own blueberry cobbler.
Exactly.
And you guys can come over if you bring the ice cream.
Okay.
Yes. Speaking of blueberry cobbler, shall we?
I really do want to taste it.
I want to try it.
It's really good, I can already tell you.
Well, how do you feel about the house?
It's incredible. It's everything I dreamed of and more.
Good.
I still don't know that I've processed it all yet. There's a lot to explore here, a lot of details that I'm excited to see. And
This is amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Erin doesn't even like blueberries.
I'm not much of a sweet eater. But it's good.
it's always good.
It's so good.
Yep, this tastes like her.
I mean, you got the house for $70,000. The renovation was $100,000, so you're $170,000 on your first house.
Perfect. You
I
did
love it. And you got blueberry cobbler.
Wow.
Yep.
The icing on the cobbler.
Mm.